The kind toy maker, Father Geo. He made wonderful toys for children and loved seeing them smile. Mia, your doll's end is ready. Now she can wave again. And Leo, and your car is fixed too. Wow, it's super fast now. You made the best toys, Grandpa. Look, even broken toys become happier. Thank you, Grandpa Geo. Bye. Children loved him. But when everyone went home, the workshop became quiet. I make happiness for everyone, but sometimes I feel lonely too. Maybe you can keep me company. Little puppet, why are your eyes so sad? Because I want to laugh, run, and hug Grandpa. Magic can move your body only if you learn truth, kindness, and courage. I will do whatever you tell me. Pinocchio, always remember, do not lie to anyone. Every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow bigger and bigger. I promise I will never lie. Twinkle stars and moon so bright, bring this puppet life tonight. Wow! I'm alive! Oops! Sorry, Dad! Oh my God! My puppet has become real boy. Today is my happiest day. Thank you, dear God. I will name him Pinocchio. Pinocchio, wake up! It's school time. Brush your teeth. I don't even know that puppets have teeth. No! I don't want mint toothpaste. And remember, after school, buy your notebooks and give this envelope to your teacher. Don't lose it. Don't worry, Grandpa. I'm a big boy now. I trust you, my big boy. It was Pinocchio's first day at school. He had never seen a classroom before, never seen books, and never seen homework. Everything in the world felt new to him. Hi, Pinocchio, did you hear? Leo, there's a baggy books. What? No, then why is it so fat? Good morning, children. Good morning, teacher. Today we will learn about fruits. This is an apple. That red thing is real? Yes. I thought apples only lived in cartoons. And this is a watermelon. Why is it so huge? Did someone overfill it with juice? Maybe. Now tell me, children, where do fruits come from? Fruits come from trees. Very good, Mia. And the bucket. Correct. I want to say eating? Rainbow fruits? Maybe they live somewhere. Pinocchio, we cannot see everything in real life. Sometimes we learn from pictures, books, and imagination. Wow! That's tonight. I'm going to imagine myself eating 50 mangoes. 50? It's time. Yay! Oh, look at all money. Meow. We should take it from him. Let's fool him. Wingardium Leviosa. Meow. Pinocchio, why waste money on borrowing notebooks? Grandpa said they are important. More important than circus tickets? Cotton candy? Games? Cotton candies? Games? One fun day only. Maybe just one little visit. Grandma will not mind. That's the spirit. The fox and cat fooled Pinocchio and took all his money. Then they brought him to a huge shining tent. The Wonder Circus! So many people, here everyone become famous. Meow! And everyone class was superstars. Really? I want people to clap for me too. Welcome to the Wonder Circus. Who wants to become our next superstar? Me! I want to be part of the circus. Very well. Tonight you shall perform. Ladies and gentlemen, Pinocchio, the amazing superstar. I'm superstar. But sometimes being famous is hard. Pinocchio, show the audience your amazing skills. La 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 la. Make him stop singing. We want our tickets back. Where's the real superstar? Go back. I was trying my best. Enough! Go backstage. We're not a performer. You are wasting our time. Go! The show must continue. I thought being famous would make me happy. But I miss Grandpa. He loved me. Even when I made mistakes. Nobody loves me like him. And that night, Pinocchio learned that love is more important than applause. Saturday! Why are you crying in the circus popcorn area? I made mistakes. Excellent. Everyone makes mistakes. I just wanted you to smile. Go home now. Pinocchio, you're back? Are you sad, my boy? No, Dad, but I'm fine. Did you buy a notebook? Yes. Oh no, what's happening to my nose? Pinocchio, never lie. A lie makes your nose grow bigger. I'm sorry, Fairy. I'm sorry, Grandpa. I lied. Come now, time to sleep. Tomorrow you have to go to a drama class. The next day, Pinocchio was very happy for the drama class. When the fox and cat came back again. Let's fool him again. He must be carrying money. Pinocchio, come for a boat ride with us. What is a boat? Come with us and we'll show you. Meow. Grandpa told me to go to school and come straight back home. Come, have fun with us. You can learn later. The sea is full of adventure. Adventure? Okay, I'll come. And once again, the poor Pinocchio was fooled. The fox and cat took him far into the sea. That night, a terrible storm came. The rain crashed down. Pinocchio! Pinocchio! Why hasn't he come home? I saw him go to the sea with the fox and cat. The sea? Oh no! Grandpa rushed into the storm to find Pinocchio and went to the sea. The rain grew heavier, the waves became wild. Pinocchio's tiny boat shook up and down. Fox! Cat! Where are you? Don't leave me alone! Then suddenly, from the dark sea, a giant whale appeared. The whale opened his big mouth and swallowed Pinocchio. Pinocchio! Pinocchio! Where are you, my boy? Mother whale, someone is shouting Pinocchio! These humans, always making noise. But he was really loud, the boy. He's not afraid of you. Not even the storm. Nobody called my name with that much laugh. Maybe because you eat everybody. You are right. Pinocchio, I will free you. But first, answer my riddle. Okay. What grows bigger when we fill it with fluff? A family. Can you sing a song for me? मैं छोटी सी तितली ये मेरा जहां सुंदर जमीन नीला आसमान थोड़ी खुशबू थोड़ी धूप से बनते मेरे रंग आ जाओ तुम भी गाओ मेरे संग. You have a beautiful voice. Now go and listen to your elders. Your grandpa truly loves you. Yay! Pinocchio is free! Grandpa! Pinocchio mistakes are not bad, but hiding them is. And now I want to listen better, love better, and say sorry when I hurt people. That is what makes someone real. My boy, I'm sorry, Grandpa. I love you. I will always love you. When we fall and lose our way, love can guide us